Hey guys, it's Natasha and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful day. And if you're new, hello and welcome, and hope you guys like my videos. So hit the subscribe button, the post notification icon, so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today is a moving vlog. If you guys didn't know, now you know. I'm moving back to my college town. They're inviting people in phases. I'm returning. We're moving back to Hawaii. That is where I go to school. I have 2 semesters left. This one right now that I'm gonna start, and then the one after, and then we are ready. We are ready to start an adult and enter the world. So it's time to pack. I already got my COVID test. It came back negative. So we need to pack this room, not the entire room. I need to pack just my essential things and put it in my suitcase. I have a lot of things there in a storage unit. I just gotta mainly pack clothes, toiletries, and like my nail kit, because that's very crucial. So that is what we're doing today. My flight leaves tomorrow at 7 a.m. and it's currently 4:18. So we gotta get our suitcase. We have been washing a lot of clothes. My room is a mess. But that is how we're starting off this year. We are moving once again. For those of you who are concerned, you're like, girl, you're moving in a panoramic. I am. The school is inviting people in phases. They are implementing a system in which we get tested for COVID every single week. Everyone that is attending the campus, we need to take obviously a COVID test before we enter the state to be cleared, or else you need to do a 10-day quarantine. A lot of reasons why I'm going, and also it's my last 2 semesters. I'm graduating, I'm excited. There's a lot of things that I'm going to do this semester. I'm just so excited because I feel like I didn't really cherish my time there while I was there, and then it took me being gone, being sent home, to realize how wonderful it was to live on the island. Like, I always knew it was wonderful, but it really gave me a perspective like, oh my goodness, it's fantastic. So I'm definitely gonna show more of Hawaii. I don't know why I didn't do that. I was always doing videos in my room and I didn't really show you what I did like on the weekends and stuff. So that is what this year's gonna be. It's just a fun year. We're growing up, we're excited, we're gonna have some fun, but let's start packing. What am I really bringing? Pants, and do I need all these things? And now I need to be like, Natasha, do you actually need these things? I need to strategize and be like, am I actually needing of these things? Because I have so many things over there. But I don't even remember what I have over there because I have so many things. I need to rethink this all. Hello, good evening. Good evening, good morning. Good morning, wait. It is currently 4:18 a.m. It is the next day. Can you tell I'm exhausted? But we're ready, we're leaving. We got all our bags packed. I'm kind of scared that we're a little bit overweight in the luggage that we packed because they're a tad way too heavy and I can't tell what's 50 pounds. So here we are. This is what I have. This, way too heavy. Got this one, a little carry-on, got my ring light, got my backpack, and then my camera bag. Kind of debating on whether or not bring my camera bag because that's literally another bag that I need to put on my shoulder. And like, if I don't bring my camera bag, then I'm gonna put this camera in my backy pack. Oh, I forgot. I have to bring my other lens, which is up there. And then I have to grab one last thing. What's the last thing I need to grab? My hair extensions, and then eat my yogurt. And then we're on our way to our airport. Wait. We need to be quiet because my family's sleeping, but I'm being very loud. Okay, I'll see you a little bit later.
Also, I'm so flattered anytime you're like, my friend Jillian, and I'm like, that's me. I was the one who told her that. As my friend Jillian always says, I'm like, that's me. I said that.
Damn, I have a lot of stuff. You know what? I'm gonna start with the desk stuff. My friend Jillian's here, but she's not on here. She's right there. They can see your hand. Okay, this is desk stuff. Where do I even start? And good morning from Hawaii. We got here yesterday. I kind of started unpacking. Let me show you what I've done so far. We are moving in. So let me just give you a little quick recap. Let me sit y'all down. First of all, welcome to my room. I got here yesterday at 11:30, and then my friend Eddie came to pick me up, and then we passed by my storage unit, and then we got some stuff. I still have a lot of things in my storage unit. I realized I brought way too many clothes, and I had way too many clothes here, so we have to fix the closet situation. So passed by the storage unit, came home, ate something, and then started kind of unpacking, and that was with my friend Jillian. You'll probably see her at a later vlog. Jillian, please join my vlog next time, please. Okay, so kind of started unpacking, just like made my bed and stuff, but I still have a lot of things, like I said, in my storage unit, so I'm gonna go Saturday to get the rest of my stuff. But right now I just kind of took the things out of my suitcase. I still have things in one of those suitcases. Let me just show you around. Welcome to my room. I will do a room tour because this is my last 2 semesters in Hawaii. My last 2 semesters, let me put you up here, that's even better. My last 2 semesters living here, and this house that I am in right now is really nice, let me tell you. So we got a desk area, we got our bed, and then my closet. Okay, so I got my suitcases here. This one is full still. This has some stuff in it, and then that suitcase is empty. But I have all this I need to take out of these bags because this was in the storage unit, and then I got another pack over there. And then this is the clothes that was in my suitcase, and there's another rack on top, so I need to get more, what is this called? More hangers, hang this stuff because this is mostly tops, and put that up on the other rack. And then after that I'll take the rest of the stuff out. Because I'm kind of balancing that clothes, I feel like it's gonna fall off, so I just left the rest of the stuff in the suitcase. And then I have 2 under the bed compartment things that are still at the storage unit, and that I'm gonna put under there. I'm also waiting for some risers from Amazon to make the bed a little bit higher, and then also put my suitcases eventually under there because they don't fit in the closet. And then over here we have a little cute desk. If you've seen my videos from Hawaii before the pandemic, my old room didn't have a desk, so this is an upgrade. This is awesome and fantastic. I'm probably going to also do a whole setup with this desk like I did in my desk back home. So if you want to see that video, let me know and leave a comment down below, and I'll do a whole setup for this too. I also need to like decorate this room, but you know, a lot of things need to happen. Classes started yesterday. My professors haven't really said anything, so I'm like, girl, what's going on? So I'm gonna check my Canvas and see what is going on. I'm kind of like moving in, starting my classes already. It's gonna be a good year. It already started great. I'm just really excited. It's just been a crazy past 24 hours. A lot of things have been happening. I did a lot of moving, a lot of unpacking. I also cleaned my car. Drive with me videos will be coming soon. I love making those. You guys love them as well. And right now I'm just editing a TikTok. So here's the thing. I made a new TikTok account. If you guys didn't know, my TikTok is at natasha.mathern, and on that TikTok I just did dances because that was fun. I did that in the beginning of quarantine. Everything was going great, views were going up, people were following me and stuff, and then there was Blackout Tuesday, and then I participated in that, of course, as you should. And after that I got shadow banned. My views literally went down. Like, it was, you could see the difference. It wasn't even like, oh, what a coincidence. No, it was like obvious that my views went down. I kept posting things and it just wasn't doing as well as it did before. So I got discouraged and I stopped making TikToks. I was like, that's just not gonna cut it. So then, you know what, I was like, 2021, new year, new me. Let's try this again. Let's make a new account and let's see how it goes. So 2 days ago, I want to say, or like, yeah, 2 days ago, I made a new TikTok. You can follow me. It's called, hold on. It's called At Natasha's Closet, and basically what I'm doing is I want to be a fashion icon this year. We want to be fashionable, we want to look cute. So what I'm going to do is every day I'm going to make a new outfit, and I record it on TikTok and I posted it. I made that 2 days ago, and look at where we are. Can you see? Is it focusing? We are already at 10K. Girl, how did that happen? I don't know, but if you want to follow me, I'll leave the link. I'll leave my @ here at Natasha's Closet, so you can see me style outfits every day. And that's just going to be one of the new things that I do this year because we want to be fashionistas. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm editing the TikTok. I just posted the new one for today, and now I'm making an IG reel version to, like, you know, post it on multiple platforms. And then I'm going to right now post it on my IG reel, and then I also posted a new Instagram photo. You can go ahead and give that a like. You know, a lot of new things this year. It's already looking like it's going to be amazing. So that's just my little catch up. I'm going to finish up with this, and then as I do more unpacking, I'll show you. Yesterday I showed you like 3 seconds, but I was so tired. I was like, girl, let's just wait till tomorrow.